Welcome back, 18! A very lucky fan indeed! Lahat na lang talaga tayo mapapasana all kay ate na naka-embrace kay Ken and Justin. Yay! I'm usually calm when making commentaries about personalities that I am rooting for, but this time, grabe, kakaingit ka ate. Wow! Napakaraming fans ang naghahangad na makadaupang palad or makita ng malapitan ang boys dahil sino ba naman ang hindi nila mahatak aside from their stunning visuals ay talaga naman ang napaka down to earth and easy to get along personalities nila ay worth rooting for.